All right, guys, so just got done on this job here. Want to do a little walk around and show you guys what exactly what got done here. So first of all, we had 4 aspens right here. 2 of them were leaning over the house like that. The other 2 were just kind of there too. And so we got all those down, roped them down, pulled them down. Everything was on the ground, and then Ray pushed all that stuff back yesterday and today when we were here collecting some lumber. And then we got this big one down here. There's actually a couple right here, one back there, got that one done. We got this big old guy right here, and this thing was just towering over the house. But we got this one down safely, and we pulled some of the stems out of there just to kind of clean it up a little bit. This is gonna get disposed of with burning here later when the burn restrictions go down. Got this one tipped down. It was leaning over the house. Got some piles of some firewood, some burn piles back there, and got all this stuff cleaned up. So there's a couple more right there. But yeah, we got a lot done here, and we actually were able to recover some lumber value out of this one. So Ray's gonna throw that stuff in the mill, and we'll see what we get out of it. And otherwise, that's about it. Bruce,
sure.
We're just about done here. What do you think?
I think you guys are awesome. Redbeard rocks.
All right. Well, they
man of little words, right? Few words.
Yeah, few words. But I think that says it all. So I appreciate it, Bruce, and you know, we're glad we were able to get a little bit of lumber value out of here. And
yeah, I hope you guys did good with that. I really do.
Yeah.
So it looks great, Sean.
Good.
I'm totally happy.
Good. All right.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
we
Bruce,
will be talking.
Yeah, we'll see you on the next one then.
Yep.
All right, guys. So if you need any hazard trees removed or any wildfire mitigation done, also working with the wildfire protection systems, give me a call.
He's your man.
redbeard.org/request. So I'll see you guys soon. All right, hold it up high.